Okay, I've been at it again. I've gone and bought myself another car. So what does £3,500 get you? Well, this tired looking 2007 Maserati Quattroporte Sport GT with 180,000 miles on it and lots of cosmetic damage. This being the 5th generation of the M139 Quattroporte. These were produced between 2003 and about 2012. So why did I buy it? Well, I may have been on the sauce that night and auction fever set in. I purely bought it for the running gear to do a future project coming to the channel soon. It's a Marmite car for sure in the looks department. You either love it or you hate it. At first I was a hater, but for some reason it's growing on me. Unfortunately, it's been an insurance loss due to the damage. The bumper is split and scuffed, the passenger headlight is broken, and the wing is absolutely totaled. The wing mirror is barely hanging on. It's got heavy scratches to the entire near side. It appears like it's been heavily keyed, not the result of the front accident by the looks of it. The rear quarter panel appears to have been attacked with a hammer, and the boot looks to have been prized open. A corner of the rear window's been smashed, but that's not cheap to replace either. Right, let's take a look in the boot. Shit. Boot struts are broken. Let's try again. Right, what have we got here? Service booklet. Result. Right, what have we got? Full service history, mostly at Ferrari and Maserati dealerships. This pre-facelift model features the 4.2 Ferrari F136 V8 engine at around about 395 brake horsepower. It also comes with the improved ZF automatic speed box with paddle shifts. Right, let's take a look inside. Pretty standard affair interior-wise for a 20-year-old vehicle of this mark. Full black leather, heated memory seats in good condition. The ZF gearbox is identified by the gear stick selector, whereas the older style Duo Select is a T-bar selector. It's starting to smell very musty in here. Some good mould setting in. Okay, onto the rear. Pretty much immaculate rear seats. With lovely embossed logo. I've got a great plan for these. Right, enough of the nonsense. Time for the money shot and that epic Ferrari V8 sound. Let's start her up. Okay, let's see what it sounds like from inside. Oh, seat's going forward. There we go, 180,000 miles. Right, well, we've got electrical system failure. Go to the dealer. Don't think so. TPMS, headlight, loads of failures. Airbag system failure. Anything else? Flat tyre, system not programmed. Just a few errors then. Electrical system failure. Sounds lovely though. Houston, we've got a problem. I just came to start it up to put it back, and the battery's flat. Absolutely nothing. Stupidly, I've left the jump pack connected but turned off. Now I can't get the key out of the ignition, which is completely jammed. And obviously the boot will not open either. Doesn't work on the button. Probably why someone tried to prise into it in the first place. So, what are we going to do? Well, I ain't got time to mess around. So, let's bring out the big guns. Let's forklift it out the way. Okay, well I managed to get the thing open and get the key out. How did I do it? Brute force and ignorance. A crowbar, so now we've got even more damage. I managed to prise it up just enough to be able to see my boost pack, and very, very luckily I just managed to flick it on. There was enough juice in it to be able to start it up. But look at the damage now. The boot doesn't even shut properly. Okay, let's see if we can get this boot shut again. Bump. No. No good. Okay, let's try something else. Got some wooden blocks here because I'm a short ass. Getting there. That'll do. Right, does it still close? Right, it's closed. Opens. Shuts. Lovely. Okay, let's go and have a quick recap of what parts we need. For shits and giggles, I'm going to give my local Maserati dealer a call and see if they can supply any of these parts. Right, let's get outside and have a look. What have we got? Okay, first off, we definitely need a bumper. Great big gouge in there. Headlights will scuff. So headlight, bumper, wing. Wing mirror. Door we can get away with, that will need a respray if I was doing it. Same with the rear door. What else do we need? Bodywork on the back panel as well. A badge, someone's had that as a souvenir. And the biggie, the rear window. Let's see how much that costs. Okay, so I gave my local Maserati dealer a call. The parts department were not able to give me a quote there and then, as apparently it's not a live system. Therefore, they said they'd send me a quotation via email. That was over 3 weeks ago and nothing has resulted. Great customer service. So, having a quick Google, I found ScuderiaCarParts.com, a company specialising in original manufacturer parts and tuning products for a variety of performance, luxury and prestige cars since 2002. Their detailed website was able to supply all the prices for the parts required, and boy, they weren't cheap. Here's a quick rundown of the costs. The wing mirror was £1,636. The passenger wing was £1,734. Passenger headlight, £2,019. The rear quarter panel badge, £36. The boot lid comes in at £1,989. Boot struts were £55. The rear window was £1,229. A complete front bumper came in at £1,208, plus shipping, which came in at £393, freight insurance at £137, and the dreaded VAT at £2,090. This gave a subtotal of £12,500, and that is without the cost of any labour, spray work or any additional damage found. Realistically, you're looking at in excess of £15,000 to fully repair the Quattroporte. Add to that the initial purchase price, the grand total will be anywhere from £18,000 to £20,000, which is absolutely crazy considering you can pick them up for as little as £7,000 to £8,000, with a fraction of the mileage that this one has. Even if you were to go down the route of sourcing all the parts second hand, you'll still be looking at £6,000 to £8,000 before labour and spray work. So unless it was your pride and joy or you had really deep pockets, it's simply not economically viable to repair it. Hence the insurance loss and the cheap salvage price. Okay, so there we have it. This is why the £83,000 when new Maserati was written off. Until next time, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video.